So we have started the PN junction diode here now. The P type of semiconductor, which one we are joining with the N type of semiconductor here now. While joining this one here now, the N types have the electrons more, P types have the holes more, and this minus this or whatever the immobile electrons are there here now. Minus minus these all the things, and immobile holes and immobile electrons are present here now, the both the conditions. By joining this one, we are going to use some alloys, and we are going to do the fabrication we are going to do here now. During this joining, what will happen? The holes and electrons, they will join together here. They will join together here now, and it will form a electrical field will be produces here in the opposite direction. Is nothing but negative to positive, the electrical field will be produces here now. So in between the junction here now. So this field, whatever this dotted line indicates, that is called a depletion layer. We are going to call that one. The this dotted line to this dotted line, depletion region we are going to call. Almost we are going to call this one as potential barrier is created. Here the force is created, reverse force. Fr is nothing but here the reverse force, here also the reverse force. They cannot break this one here now, but this one it will opposition port towards this one, and here in the N semiconductor towards that one, here it is going to produce the opposite force. It is going to produce here now. So this combination of joining P and N semiconductor, we are going to call that one as a construction. We are going to call that one. P type of semiconductor is joined to N conductor, and here we are going to take two terminals. One is anode, another one is cathode. We are going to get that one here now. This one minute. A potential barrier of silicon is nearly 0.7, and for germanium it is 0.3 is there. For the potential barrier voltage, they are going to tell that one here. Next, we'll discuss about the forward bias. So we have joined P type of semiconductor, N type of semiconductor. दोनों join किए अभी है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, both are joined together. Because of this fabrication and joining PN junction, here the potential barrier is created. Potential barrier is created, and the force is in the from the depletion layer to the towards junction or towards the P side. We are going to call that one. Next, what do we have to do? We have to forward bias, means I will take one positive DC supply. I will take here now battery. From the battery, I will take the DC supply. The positive I will connect to the P type of semiconductor here now. Positive I will connect to the P type, and negative I will conduct to the N type of semiconductor here. Positive and negative I will conduct N type of the semiconductor. By doing this, what will happen? See here, the holes will get the electrical field is generated here now, but in this direction, positive to negative, it is going to here now. Previously this depletion layer or potential barrier कैसे था? Opposite, negative to here ये oppose करता था, इस side को ये oppose करता था. Yes or no? Both were opposing, but what in the opposite direction of the potential barrier. So the electrical field is created. This field is force is more than that barrier force, so it will get cancelled here. No, here also it will get cancelled. So what will happen? They are going to cancel this electrical barrier potential, and barrier potential will start to decrease. Once it is completely decreased, it is nothing but it is the depletion layer is breaked. So on that situation, holes and electrons, they will join together and they will create a path from positive to negative. Is nothing but P to N. They are going to start to move over there here. So here holes and electrons, they are going to get pair over there. So here the potential barrier, but the electrons it is opposing here now, so it will get cancelled here now, and the force of that one depletion layer will be start to decreases. Here पहले इतना decreases depletion layer था. Depletion layer means which will oppose the flow of electrons or flow of current, it is going to oppose here now. So once it is reduced karte aaye, then what will happen? The current will start to flow from positive to negative after breaking the depletion layer. We are going to call that one. That is called forward bias. We are going to call that one. That is called forward bias. So to do the forward bias, positive supply should be given to the P type of semiconductor and negative supply should be given to the
N type.
N type of semiconductor here. Is it clear? और किसी को कुछ डाउट है क्या इसमें? Simple topic.
No. No, sir.
Okay. So next what we will do, we will take a reverse bias here now. In the reverse bias, what will happen? Already the negative force is created here because of the potential barrier here. Negative force is created here now. This is the barrier potential or depletion region. We are going to call this all the things here. By providing the opposite source here now, already here N type is there, I will provide the positive supply to this one. For N type of semiconductor, I will give the positive supply. For P type of semiconductor, I will give the negative supply. By doing this one, the force will flow from this opposite direction only. Same direction of potential barrier. By doing this one, what will happen? The depletion region will be start to increase. It is not going to decrease. It will increase us. So if it is depletion layer is increased, depletion region is increased, then what will happen? Will blocks the current. We are going to call that one here. See here. Starting, it was like this. Yes. Once I will provide the supply, just check it this one. See here. In the opposite direction, it is in this direction. Here the positive supply is given, positive to negative. It will come, it will oppose us here. It will oppose whatever the electrons I am injecting here. It will oppose us here. Holes are opposing here. Now, so by same direction of the potential barrier, this electrons are moving means obviously depletion region will be increases. Depletion region is increases means it will create a high resistance path which will oppose us, which will not allow the electrons to flow from positive to negative or negative to positive here now. If the high resistance path is created here now, what I will do, I will increase the voltage again. जैसा voltage increase करते ऐसे this depletion layer will be increases. This depletion layer will be increases. But I will not leave that one if not conducted here means. Then also again I will increase the voltage. Depletion layer will come up to here. Again I will increase, depletion layer will come up to here and it will expand the depletion region. The breakdown voltage, whatever the rated voltage is there, that much complete voltage we have applied here. Now, after the rated voltage, the device get damaged. Immediately it will get the path, conducting path from positive to negative. The current, negative current will suddenly increases. Previously voltage 0 है तो current भी 0 है. जैसा voltage increase करते हैं, but current flowing through this one will become 0 only. Very small leakage current will be occur for the maximum current also. But after the breakdown voltage means this device gets collapsed. Up to that rated voltage, we are going to consider that one. Breakdown voltage, the current will suddenly increases over there. That one we will explain in the what is that one? VI characteristics, we'll explain that one. VI characteristics, we'll explain that one. The potential barrier and the width of the depletion layer increases because of this reverse supply. So for that reason, we are going to call this one as a reverse bias PN junction diode. We are going to call that one. If the reverse supply is increased, then the potential barrier will also expanding that one. It is going to increase the width of the depletion layer region or barrier potential. So obviously what will happen, which has the high resistance, which will oppose the flow of current here now. So like increasing the voltage, only small leakage current will be there, but after the breakdown voltage, suddenly the current will be increases over here. Now, therefore, reverse bias current is due to minority carrier. We are going to call that one here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Okay. So next what we'll do, diode characteristics. Here only the important thing we are going to discuss here now. Diode characteristics here now. So diode characteristics will be VI characteristics. Also, we are going to call that one. Diode characteristics are called as VI characteristics. VI means
Voltage and current.
voltage and current characteristics. How many biasing we have discussed just now?
2.
Two biases we have discussed. So we'll get the VI characteristics for the two side. One for the positive voltage, another for the negative supply.
Negative.
For the forward bias, we'll give positive supply. For the reverse bias, we'll give the negative supply. You know, when forward biased, current does not flow until bias is less than barrier potential. Forward bias apply किया हमने. Positive supply is given to the P, negative supply is given to the N. But suddenly positive to P and negative to N, by giving the supply, it will not get the conduction because barrier potential रहते उधर. Yes. But जैसे हमने voltage increases like that, the potential barrier will be 0.7 for the silicon and 0.3 for the germanium. More than that, we have to apply. The voltage should be more than that. After this 0.7 volt, what will happen? The depletion layer will break and the current will start to flow from positive to negative. The current will start to flow from positive to negative. The current will start to flow. See here. This is the diode symbol. Diode symbol मालूम है क्या सबको? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is, I will connect to the load here now. I will connect to the load. This is the diode D and this is the current I and this is the variable voltage I will use. Variable voltage. This is the DC voltage I will give here now. When I will give the supply here, positive is connected to the P and negative is connected to the load resistance through to the N layer. So through our load resistance RL we are going to use. Why we are going to use this RL? Suddenly after conduction, suddenly the current will be increases. To limit that current, we are going to use the load resistance. Resistance use kiye. Resistance is inversely proportional to the current or directly proportional to the current.
Inversely.
Inversely.
So inversely है तो current resistance use कर सकते हैं ना current limit के लिए. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
For that reason, to limit the current, we are going to use the resistance. You know, at initial condition, अभी zero है सोचो ये voltage. So the here the voltage, this one will be voltage and this one will be current. I will consider that one. Okay. So voltage will be zero. Here also it is voltage zero here now. Lightly, what I will do, I will increase the voltage into 0.2. I will use. This voltage knob will provide that one 0.2 volt दिया है. 0.2 is less than potential barrier. So what will happen? I will increase the voltage 0.2. It will come like this. Small leakage current. Next I will increase 0.3, 4, 5. जैसा voltage increase करते ना, little leakage current will be over that one. Up to 0.6, 7 and all the things. After 7 what will happen? After 7 the barrier potential will completely zero and suddenly what will happen here? No, here 0.2 we will consider 0.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 होने के बाद suddenly the current will be increases like this. Increases like this, which is going to increase. Actually इधर से better पूरा diagram ही ले लेंगे. forward current here now. Suddenly the current will be increases, and with voltage suddenly it will not go for the maximum. जैसा voltage increase करते, like that the current will also increase after conduction, that one here now. So for the initial condition up to here, is there any conduction current flow है, but voltage is increased, 0 से इधर तक voltage increase हो गए. Yes,
Yes, sir.
voltage is increased but current is not increased. But after the breaking of depletion layer it will increase here. Now after the conduction of current flowing from positive to negative, what will happen, like increasing the voltage, current will also increases here with up to the breakdown voltage, we can call that one here for the positive supply. The reverse bias, what will happen, very small current flows because of the minority carriers. Minority carriers means negative to negative दिए, sorry, negative को positive दिए, positive को negative दिए, both को, in that one the barrier potential will be increases because both barrier potential direction and this given supply direction will become same over there, both will in the same direction, so it will increase the barrier potential, it will increase the depletion layer, and that situation, so it will not give the path to conduct the current flow from the positive supply, which one given, negative to positive here now. So on that situation what will happen, the negative current will always, it will zero or small, negligibly small, we are going to consider that one here. Knee voltage is there here. Knee voltage means what, once it is reached to this current, once the conduction will occur, later if you remove the voltage it will not, if you reduce the voltage it will not come back, like that, you know. Knee voltage, after that one it will increases, the current will be increases over there here. So the difference between, see here after some time the conduction will occur, so then current will start to flow here now. But here the whatever I will do, I will call this one as a breakdown voltage. Positive breakdown voltage is here now, that is plus VB, this is minus VB, minus VB, minus NA,
Yes.
this is minus current here. So for the positive forward bias supply, what will happen, for after some time, after depletion layer is breakdown of depletion layer or collapses here now. So just a positive supply is given to the positive, negative is given to the negative, the depletion layer or region will start to decrease, like decreasing that one, so the it will, whatever the potential barrier electrical field is there, it will gets cancelled and it will get a path, the path to flow the current from positive to negative, so the current will increases after this one here. At a new voltage suddenly there is no change in the current, little variable linearly vary with voltage here now. Linearly means जैसा voltage increase किया ऐसा ही current increase हो रहा है ना. Up to here there is not linear, not linked with voltage and current, इधर voltage ज्यादा है but current zero है. At this point once it is conducted, this knee point से जैसा voltage increase किया ऐसे current increase हो रही है ना, this one. So from this line to this line, this is linear region we are going to consider, this is the conduction region we are going to call that one here. Now VB is the breakdown voltage here, positive supply. For the negative supply what will happen, by providing n semiconductor को positive देने का, p conductor को negative देने का, the opposite direction it will not create over there, so the electrical field of barrier potential will increase, it will not get a path to flow the current. करंट के लिए पाथ ही नहीं मिलते, जैसा वोल्टेज आई विल इंक्रीज द वोल्टेज, अगेन आई विल इंक्रीज, 0.7 हो गए, 0.1 हो गए, 2 3 4 5 6 up to the breakdown voltage. Breakdown means that is the last we can give this one voltage. ये voltage देने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा, it will collapses over there, so the device will get damage हो गए तो there is depletion layer will be blast or burn over there, after that one the easily current will flow, suddenly increases over there. Breakdown voltage means that is breakdown of the device only, we can call that one here. Voltage breakdown, this is the maximum voltage we can provide. At maximum voltage the depletion layer will break and it will, the current will increases directly to the maximum value. Directly maximum गए ना, इधर voltage increase किए क्या further, इधर conduction हो गए, सोचो अभी ब्रेकडाउन हो गए, but either without increasing the voltage, how much current is increased here now? This much current from 0 to here. Yes. Is there any doubt? Have any doubt?
No, sir.
You can ask now. So it completes the basic part, actually basic part of the diode, PN junction and all the things. Here now construction, operating principle, working, there's a VI characteristics, everything it is completed now. नेक्स्ट विल गो फॉर द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द डायोड. डायोड किसके लिए यूज कर सकते हैं हम सर्किट में, वो डिस्कशन करने वाला है. उसके पहले इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स यू कैन आस्क. नो डाउट्स? डाउट नहीं क्या किसी को?
No, sir.
Okay. So what we will do, we'll go for the next topic, that is applications of diode. Actually diode किधर यूज करते हैं हम? Which place we are going to use the diodes? Where we are going to use the diodes? Yes. As per your syllabus, this working, biasing, VI characteristics, breaking voltage and all the things over. Next we will go for the diode application. That is nothing but we are going to use this diode in a rectifier circuit mainly. Rectifier circuit we are going to use. So the rectifier circuit is nothing but, again there is some rectifiers. What it will do, it will converts. What it will do, rectifiers? AC to
AC to DC.
DC.
AC to DC to AC or AC to DC?
AC to
AC to
DC.
DC.
AC to DC it is going to provide over there. AC to DC conversion will be happens over there. So the rectifier is nothing but it is the circuit which converts the alternating current into the direct current here now. Alternating current to the variable, alternating current to the fixed direct current, we can call that one. Fixed direct current. Direct current will be not vary over there, that is fixed one, we are going to call that one. Or direct utna confuse ho gaye to only it will convert AC to DC. That's it, you have to remember here. That's it, you have to remember here. So what we will do here, the circuit diagram we have to discuss. Rectifier means, again three types of rectifiers are there here. We are going to use three types of rectifiers. First one is half wave rectifier. Either one wave means one cycle means kaun sa hai? This is AC input, we can consider that one. Just पूरा है क्या? इतना ही है, ठीक है. I will draw here now. So this is the AC input, we can call that one. Here 0 is there here now, and this is the DC, we can call that one here. पूरा एक ही लाइन ले लेंगे क्या? Better option. मोस्ट भूल गया मैंने. ठीक है. This is input, we are going to call that one input, and this is output here now. Okay. See, AC waveforms ऐसे ही रहते क्या? AC waveforms ऐसे ही रहते
Yes,
हैं.
sir.
Sinusoidal waveforms we are going to get the AC here now. DC actually कैसा आना है? This is the DC. Yes. DC है ना वो? Straight line. This is ऐसा ही आया तो DC line है. और ऐसा ऐसा कैसे भी आ सकते हैं DC line. It should not be there in the negative cycle. एक ही साइड रहते, पॉजिटिव साइड ही रहते. It will not be like sinusoidal नहीं रहते. DC means direct current. It will directly it will directly like this, it will be vary for maximum minimum it can vary, but it will not come for the negative here now. Is it clear? DC का basic बोल रहा हूं मैंने पे. So here diode D is used here. Now how many terminals are there in the diode? Terminals are of diode is anode and cathode. Two terminals are there. So this side anode, which is nothing but anode is connected to the P type, and cathode is ये line रहते हैं उसको negative supply चाहिए, without line का positive supply चाहिए. Okay, cathode should be connected to the negative and anode should be connected to the positive here now. As per we know our characteristics of the AC is एक बार positive to 0, next second time क्या होता है 0 to negative, 0 to positive, it will go over there. So on that situation, just a minute. क्या बोल रहे थे? So the characteristics of the AC is first from 0 to 5 it will positive to 0 is nothing but 5 base value here now. Reference value will consider that one, positive to reference value. Next what will happen? Negative to the reference value it will go, the negative half cycle. This is positive half cycle, this is negative half cycle, it will go. Yes or no? The waveform is like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So for the positive half cycle, suppose we will consider two terminals here now. For the positive half cycle, it will become, this is phase and this is neutral here now. So phase to neutral, the current will flow.
Yes, sir.
Phase to neutral. For the negative half cycle, the terminals will get neutral to the phase, it will flow here now. So for the positive half cycle, it will flow in this direction here. Here it will go for the positive half cycle, this one. And for this, it will start from here, that is called negative, we can call that one here. For the positive half cycle, the current will flow in this direction. For the negative half cycle, the current will flow in this direction here now. From here से current flow होते हैं positive half cycle को, from the phase to the neutral the current will flow. It is same like a forward bias and reverse bias. Okay, but forward bias and reverse bias I have explained by using DC. DC से explain किया, अभी AC से explain नहीं किया था ना. Try to give the reply. Okay, so at initial condition, what will happen? The circuit diagram, diode and is in series with the load resistance. It is connected here now, and both are connected to the across a AC supply here now. Single phase AC supply, it is connected here. So the single phase AC input is, we are going to use this one as a AC input here now. These are the AC input. This part is the AC input. We are going to call that one here. This is 0 से चालू हो गई. Okay, just by giving the positive supply, when current will start from phase to the diode, it will comes here. So at this side, the current direction side, which terminal is there?
Positive.
Positive is there. P is there. So P is connected to the positive. So the barrier potential will decreases and it will allow the current to flow here. Now the current will flow through the diode. What will happen? Once the current will flow through the diode, means whatever the AC is there, it will converts into
DC.
AC is converts into DC. That DC current will go to the across the load resistance and go back to the neutral. So across this load resistance here, we are going to get the DC output we have connected here now. लोड रेजिस्टेंस को डीसी फ्लो हो रहा है ना. This
Yes,
part
sir.
here, this is AC, this one is AC, and here we are going to get
DC.
DC. We are getting here now. So DC output is measured here now for the positive half cycle. So जैसा positive half cycle था ऐसा ही positive half cycle इधर आ गए DC के लिए. जीरो था इनपुट, जीरो आए. जब इनपुट इंक्रीज हो गए तब आउटपुट भी इंक्रीज हो गए. देन व्हेन द इनपुट इज मैक्सिमम, मैग्नीट्यूड कितना था उतना ही डीसी का आउटपुट मैक्सिमम आया हमको. एंड व्हेन इट विल स्टार्ट टू डिक्रीजेस द इनपुट, आउटपुट विल आल्सो डिक्रीजेस हियर नाउ. सो इनपुट आउटपुट इज लीनियरली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द output is linearly proportional to the input. Yes,
Input.
input we can call that one here. We can show here now. Next, what will happen? Can I erase this one all things?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, next what will happen? For the negative half cycle, इधर तक आ गए, हमने इधर तक close किया अभी. Positive cycle आ गए हम. Next, for the negative half cycle, the current will start from here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Current
sir.
will flow through the load resistance here now, and it will go to the diode. But here the positive is given to the N type
Negative.
supply here now, N type semiconductor here now, and positive is negative is given to the P type here. Now what will happen for the reverse bias or for the negative half cycle? It will blocks the current. Current को allow ही नहीं करते इधर, इधर तक current आके रुक गए इधर. It will not give the path to flow the current to make this one as a closed circuit. Closed circuit नहीं होगा इधर बीच में. This one it will breaks the current, break होगा इधर. It will not create, or it will not give the path to flow from current from this phase to the neutral here now, or neutral to the phase. So इधर current block किया ना. Blocked means it will act as a open circuit.
Resistance.
Open circuit only we will call now. For the open circuit, the resistance will be very high.
Zero.
Resistance will be zero for the open circuit. Open circuit को resistance कैसे zero रहते हैं? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hi.
High na? The
Yes,
resistance
sir.
will be very high for the open circuit. So on that situation, what will happen? So the current will not go to the destination. It will not make the closed path here. No. So the output is what? Voltage across this one for the open circuit.
This.
Huh? DC. But what is the value of that one? It is maximum, minimum, or zero. There is no output, or maximum output will get. Like that, you tell me. Open circuit voltage across open circuit कितना रहते हैं? If the current flow
Ma-
here is zero, na? Current flowing to this circuit is what?
Zero.
Zero. Current is not flowing here. Now, what is the V here? V equal to
Zero.
IR. Obviously, the output voltage will become
Zero.
Zero.
zero. So for that reason only, it will not conduct for the negative half cycle. The output voltage is, or voltage or current, whatever it may be, output will become zero. The output is zero. We are going to call that one here. First two half cycle को anode to cathode ये आ गए. Okay, anode to cathode, it is came over there. But for the negative half cycle, the diode acts as an open circuit. It will blocks the current, so it will act as an open circuit. High resistance will be created. It will not allow the path to flow the current here. No. So what will happen? It will, the output voltage or current will become zero. The DC output will be zero for the negative half cycle. Again, negative half cycle okay. Next, what will happen? Next, positive half cycle will start again. Next, for the positive half cycle, it will start. So positive half cycle, again, it will start to flow the current from here to here. ऐसा फ्लो हो जाएगा. Yes, then it will conduct. It will conduct for the next half cycle. It will conduct whatever the input is there. Same output we are going to get that one here now, DC. Next for the negative half cycle, it will become 0. Next for the positive half cycle, it will get the answer. For the negative half cycle, it will 0. For the positive half cycle, we are going to get the answer. Like that, it will continue for the next all cycles. This is the principle of half wave rectifier. Principle of half wave rectifier. Any doubts here? Topic to easy, but you have to tell me if it is easy or difficult or whatever it takes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Okay, so this is the principle of half wave rectifier. Half wave क्यों बोला है मालूम हो गया अभी नाम? Only for the one wave means what it is, positive half cycle and negative half cycle, it will become one. Up to here, one wave or one cycle, we are going to call that one wave or one cycle here. But what is happening here? Only for the positive half cycle it is conducting. For the negative half cycle there is no conduction, the output will be 0. Only half cycle को conduction हो रहा है ना इधर. First half cycle,
Yes,
first
sir.
half cycle, half cycle. For that reason we are called the name, we are going to call that one as half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier we are going to call that one. Is it clear? Half wave rectifier.
Yes.
Its principle already I have explained, then also for your understanding I will read this one here now. Rectifiers are the circuits used to convert alternating current into direct current.
Direct current.
So half wave rectifiers are designed using diode use kiye, and load resistance to limit the current. Load resistance they have used here in the as shown in the figure here now. During the positive half cycle, first half cycle, positive half cycle of the AC voltage, the diode will be act as a forward bias. During the positive half cycle, positive is given to the P and negative is given to the N cycle, N semiconductor. So on that situation, we are going to call that one as a forward bias, and the current will flow from the positive to the negative through a diode. The current will flow here, so that one forward bias we are going to call. Current flows through the diode. During the negative half cycle में क्या हो गया? N is connected to the positive, P is connected to the negative. It is nothing but reverse bias. So during the negative half cycle of the AC voltage, the diode will be reverse biased and flow of current will be blocked. So current flowing through the circuit will become 0. So input is given full half cycle, but the output is 0 output current, because diode is not conducting anything, means the output current will be 0. So only for the positive half cycle the half wave rectifier it is conducting. For that reason half wave rectifiers are advantageous as they are cheap here now. What are the advantages? They are very cost is very less, simple and easy to construct here now. Construction is very easy. एक डायोड यूज करने का, उसको एक लोड रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्ट करने का और सप्लाई दे देने का, है ना? इजी है ना? That is very easy. We are going to call that here. That is half wave rectifiers. We are going to call that one. Next, any doubts in this half wave rectifier? किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो अभी. हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर में किसी को कुछ डाउट है क्या?
No, sir.
No. Can I go for next topic, that is full wave rectifier?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Half wave rectifier is over. Next we will go for the full wave rectifier. In the full wave rectifier, what we are going to use? We are going to use the AC circuit with a transformer, center tap transformer. We are going to call that one. This is the transformer. Transformer symbol है primary winding and
Yes,
secondary
sir.
winding. But center tap means इसको one more terminal रहते हैं, third terminal that is. Secondary windings कितना है? दो secondary winding है इधर एक winding and इधर एक winding. This center tapping is there. It is a common point. For the positive half cycle ये phase हो जाएगा. For the negative half cycle this will become phase, but this common point will become common only. That is center tap बोलते हैं. समझ में आया क्या बोलूंगा और एक बार? This is actually without this terminal ये नहीं है, सोचो अभी ये नहीं है. So this one and this one, it is indicates the transformer
Yes,
supply use किए. So primary winding of the transformer and this complete is secondary winding of the transformer. So step down transformer only we are using here now. 230 volt से हमको about suppose DC हमको 10 volts चाहिए, 10 volts DC चाहिए. So 230 to 10 volts हमने step down किए हैं voltage. So the primary is 230 volt AC voltage. The secondary is 10 volt DC or AC here now.
DC.
Transformer definition क्या है? AC to DC ट्रांसफार्मर करते क्या डायोड करते?
No, sir. No, sir. AC to AC.
AC to AC only it is, because 230 to 10 volt AC supply we got here now. That AC supply we have given to the full wave rectifier here now. Diode को दिया है अभी. This 10 volt supply we have given to the diode here now. So the secondary of the transformer is connected to the rectifier circuit here now. Secondary of the transformer is connected to the rectifier circuit. In the rectifier circuit, here we have used two diodes, diode D1 and diode D2. Diode D1 and diode D2. For the first half cycle, ये AC है अभी इधर. AC है ना इधर? This is AC. Okay. So AC means alternating only we are going to use. Alternating. So for the alternating means positive half cycle and negative half cycle we are going to get here now. For the positive half cycle, here this will become phase and this will become neutral here.
Neutral.
Okay. For the negative half cycle, this will become PH phase, but negative phase it is nothing but negative side से चालू हो जाएगा current. Negative phase and this is positive phase. Positive half cycle, positive phase neutral. Negative half cycle, negative phase neutral. We can call that one here. Is it clear here now?
yes, sir.
So negative means negative नहीं बोल सकते. Just for समझ में आने के लिए तुमको negative phase angle है उसके लिए negative side में है बोल के negative बोल रहे हैं. Okay. For the positive half cycle, here only I will draw that one diagram. For the positive half cycle, this is positive half cycle. For the negative half cycle, this one. Okay. For the negative half cycle. So, and next what will happen? For first phase or both the phases, one diode is conducted here now, diode D1 and diode D2 here now. At the neutral point, at the center terminal of the transformer, this is the center tap transformer we are going to call. So center terminal of the transformer, the load resistance is connected here now. Across this load resistance, we are going to get the output here now, DC output we are going to get here. Across the load only output कहाँ रहते हैं? Load side ही रहते हैं ना? Output is across the load only we are going to get. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So across the load, whatever the output voltage will come, voltage or current, that is called our DC output. But the input is, this is transformer is
AC.
input is AC, but the output across the load resistance is DC here now. So this is the circuit diagram of full wave rectifier. This is circuit diagram of full wave rectifier here now. So next what we will do, we'll go to the next slide, that is here. I have to clear everything then. Okay. See here, This is for the positive half cycle. This diagram is for positive half cycle. This diagram for the negative half cycle. We
Negative.
have to consider here now. Positive input pulse, negative input pulse. They have used here now. So for the positive half cycle AC to AC conversion will occur in the transformer here now. 230 volt to 10 volt. This 10 volt is here. The current will start to flow from here. It will flow here. The diode will conduct or not here now. Current is flowing in this direction. Anode to cathode, the current is flowing here. Will conduct or blocks?
Conduct.
Conduct.
So
Conduct.
diode will conduct the positive half cycle. The current will flow here and it will flow here and it will go back to the neutral. Some current can, it may flow here. इधर तक आ जाते current, इधर तक भी आ सकते. But what will happen? It will blocks here now. क्यों? Current direction is in the reverse.
Negative.
Reverse है ना ये current
Yes.
direction.
Yes, sir.
So current direction is reverse. So it will blocks here and no current will flow here now. So all the current will flow through the load resistance here now for the positive half cycle. So across the load resistance for the first half cycle of the DC is equal to AC here now. First half cycle equal to AC हो गया. This is DC output. आ गया हमको first DC output for the first half cycle. Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
For the
sir.
next half cycle, what will happen? This positive will become negative and negative will become positive here now. Positive will become negative and negative will become positive. So the positive terminal will become shifted to here now. इधर से positive से current flow होने के लिए चालू हो जाते हैं. Now the current will flow from here now. It will, this diode 2 will conduct or blocks the current.
Conduct.
So diode 2 will conduct the current here now, conducts the path and it will flow here now through the load resistance and some current will flow here again, but diode D1 will be blocks
Block.
this current. So this will act as a open circuit here now. So all the current will flow through the load resistance. So load resistance means across the load what we are going to get here now? DC output we are
DC
going to get
output.
because diode D2 input is AC, but the output will become DC. So for the next negative half cycle, what is it? Is a negative minus or plus this value? Same current will flowing, na?
Plus.
Plus only. So for the negative half cycle of the input also we will get the positive half cycle of the output here. Positive half cycle of the output here. So for the positive half cycle of input, diode D1 will conduct, D2 will blocks. For the negative half cycle, diode D2 will conducts,
Conduct.
D1 will
Conduct.
block here now. So for the positive half cycle, D1 is conducting. For the negative half cycle,
D2.
D2 is conducting here now. D2 is conducting here. This is the simple explanation of the full wave rectifier. We are going to call here full wave rectifier. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubts? Just a minute. I will clear everything there. No doubts. अच्छा है ना फिर ये topics अच्छा है ना. So operation that one only they have told that diode, 2 diodes are there, 1 load resistance is there and all the things. So file for the positive half cycle diode D1 will conduct, for the negative half cycle diode D2. Same explanation they have given here now. Explanation they have given. I will not read this all the things. I will show the output here now directly. Here this is the AC input. Positive half cycle either.
Yes, sir.
This is positive half cycle and this is negative half cycle. For the first positive half cycle, diode D1 will get conduct.
Yes, sir.
For the diode first half cycle, diode D1 will conduct, D2 will become blocks the current, so it will
Block.
act as a open circuit over there. Open circuit over there. So next for the negative half cycle, D2 will conduct, D1 will become blocks or open circuit here now. So for the first half cycle, positive half cycle, negative half cycle, D1, D2, D1, D2 alternately they will conduct and they will give the full wave answer here now. Previously half wave ko aa raha tha output, but now it is getting for the full wave, for complete wave we are going to get the output we are getting here now. For that reason we are going to call this one as full wave rectifier. It is in a pulsating form. Pulsating form is not straight, direct DC नहीं है ये. Direct DC means ऐसा straight line आना है. Straight line है क्या ये? नहीं,
No, sir.
pulsating means pulse according to that one. It is like this. It is the we are going to get here. Pulsating DC we are going to call that one. All both half cycle also pulsating DC and this one also it is a pulsating DC here. So this is the output waveforms we are going to call that one here now. Any doubts here now? These two? If you have any doubts?
No, sir.
So we'll stop here only and the bridge rectifier is there. Again, one more topic. That one will continue in the next class. Bridge rectifier कैसे operate हो जाते हैं, that one we will discuss in the next class. We are going to discuss over that. Is it clear? Topics easy है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No problem then. All of you are understanding, but still the class strength is very less. Only 52 students are attending here. Okay, we'll stop here only and we'll